Hello friends, in this video we send an email using Java API. For sending an email, we require two libraries which we also added, activation.jar and mail.jar. If you have not these libraries, then you may download from given link in my description. First, import javax.mail.star, create a string to. Here we write a valid mail ID who received the mail. Second, we write mail address which people send mail. After creating this, we create another string. First is username, which is same as who sent mail, and fourth is password. Here you may write password of your mail ID. After creating this, create a string for host. In case of Gmail, write smtp gmail.com. After creating this, create an object of property. After creating an object of properties, put values in property. In first argument, pass and string mail.smtp dot auth, and second argument is true. Same as we set some values in property object. Second is smtp dot start tls, dot enable. Third one is mail.smtp.host. Here we pass argument of host. Then fourth one is smtp port. In case we use 587. After putting the values in property, create an object of session. Sorry, here we write session.getInstance. In first argument pass object of pro, which is object of property. Second argument we pass an authenticator. Now we create new java x dot mail dot authenticator. Protected. Authentication. This we return a value in password authentication. We pass two strings. First is username and second is password, which we also create. This is username and this is password. You may change accordingly. After creating the session, now create message. Try block, create an object of message msg is equal to new mine message. Pass reference of session ssn. This is a reference of session. After creating the object of message, set values in this. First we set from. In set from we pass an address of mail ID who send mail. New internet address and pass mail ID which we also create from msg dot set recipients in this. First we type recipient type message dot recipient type dot to. In this case you may change to CC or BCC. In second argument we pass an internet address in this. The internet address dot parse and here we type to. After creating this we create subject for message using set subject method. In this you may write your subject of your mail. Same as set body in message with set text method. In this you write body of your mail after creating this write transport dot send and in this pass the reference of a message. This is our program. Now run as Java application. This may an error for authentication. messaging exception. TLS.enable. This show an error, username and password is not accepted. If this error is shown on your screen, then you may change a setting for account. From which account you can send mail. Click on Google account. In security, here is an option of less secure app access. You may on this. Now run your application. Now your email is sent successfully. This mail ID receive our mail from Java API. Test email using Java API by Coding Adda. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like and subscribe my channel.